What is up, you guys? It is RJ. We are finally checking out some Oh My Girl music videos. We recently checked out the Killing Voice, also checked out Classify. That was my first song into Oh My Girl. I'm very excited to finally check out some more music. We have 4 songs to check out on this particular video: Liar Liar, Closer, Windy Day, and Nonstop. As I said in the Killing Voice, I don't remember what any of these sounded like. I'm super excited to finally be able to just see more. And yeah, I don't have too much else to say, you guys, and I'm really excited. Let's go. I'm probably going to be asking, oh, who's that? Who's that? Even though, you know, I feel like people told me members' names in the comments for the Killing Voice. But, you know, it's going to take a while. But Liar Liar, we're going to start with that. This is already looking very colorful. Let's go. Her shoes.
Think you can get me? I think so.
Oh. There's 7 girls here. Hey. I like this pre-chorus, the drums. Are we all crushing on the same person, trying to hide it?
She's just a friend.
It's a very fun vibe. I really like the tone switch in the pre-chorus. Oh, no bass here. Ah. I wish I knew which one was the member that is I'm unfamiliar with, I guess. Dang, that bet is huge. This is super catchy. This is so interesting. You know what's crazy? We're in like a 2-minute song era right now, right? And I don't know when it's gonna end. Hopefully soon, you guys. But it's crazy listening to things that are more than 3 minutes because now it feels like it. Like the song doesn't feel rushed. It's hitting all of the, you know, usual beats that you would in a song. And even the outro happening, I was like, wow, this is happening right now. I was glad to hear it. What a colorful music video. It feels so artistic. Like a lot of the shots that they're setting up, just like the framing, like even this, like, isn't there like a famous like drawing that looks like this with the stairs and whatnot? Like I thought this was crazy. Like it's just so like there's something very minimalistic about this whole music video, even though it's so loud. with all the colors and whatnot. Who is this? I came back to pause because I wanted to see if I recognized who this person was. I can't figure it out though. I'm sure you guys will let me know. This was a very fun song. I love the bounce of the bass in this song. It's very fun. All right, we're gonna move on to Closer. Let's go. I've heard a lot of people talk about this song in the comments, so I don't want to say I have high expectations because I mean everyone has different tastes obviously, but I am curious to see if this will also be like my favorite one. I don't know. Let's go. I have no clue how I felt about this in the Killing Voice, so. Oh. Is that the song that's about to play now?
한 걸음 closer 내 맘 한 뼘 closer to you.
First of all, her voice is so beautiful.
그리운 노래
Ooh, the choreo.
저 멀리 있나 봐.
Ooh, the choreo.
늘 다가가도 아득하기만 해. 별똥별아 안녕. 내 소원 들어주렴. 한 걸음 closer 내 맘.
Red Riding Hood?
한 뼘 closer to you. 하늘을 스치는 별에 내 맘을 담아보낼게. So come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on.
What is... Wait a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 8 people here. Okay. Okay. I'm confused, you guys. I thought there was 7, like, from the get-go. So there were 8 from the get-go? But were there 8 in Liar Liar? Why don't... Wow, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what's happening now. Okay.
하늘을 스치는 별에 내 맘을 담아보낼게. So come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come a little closer.
I like this song, though.
꼭 이뤄줄
This feels like something from a storybook.
우린 기다림은 언젠가 날 비추는 벨리 들어봐 끈적했던 나의 비밀 한 걸음 closer 내 맘 한 뼘 closer to you 하늘을 스치는
Oh.
별에 내 맘을 담아보낼게. So come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on.
Oh, I love when they do like a line formation. Wow, this is so pretty.
I'm closer. I'm closer. I'm closer. Closer. I'm closer.
Wow, their voices.
Closer. I'm closer. Can you hear my cry? 긴 꿈을 closer.
I love them repeating this while she's doing the singing in the background.
I promise I won't walk away.
한 걸음 closer 내 맘 closer to you to you I 지우기 전에 지우기 전에
Ooh. Golden apple?
함께였던 공간에서 쓸쓸하게 빛나고 있는 넌 하는 별자리 중 너 닮은 자리를 저 하늘 위에 고이 담아 비춰주기를 바래 널 그리기 위한 꿈을 그리다 그리고 그리며만 알 수 있을까 넌 항상 늘 같은 자리 뮤선 여물어가는 넌 Milky Way is on.
Wow, that was a very interesting choice.
I'm closer I'm closer 어느 손 데려가줘 to you
Ooh. Ooh. Wow. Oh, okay. I know I've only heard what Classified in this song. Sorry, Liar Liar. But this might be, well, my second favorite one. I say Classified is probably my top song that I've heard from this group so far. It was just so smooth. It didn't like overcomplicate things in the production. I think the girls, like their voices really just kind of blended with this particular vibe very, very nicely to me. I feel like we started with a piano and I couldn't figure out if that was a piano or not. Hold on.
한 걸음 closer 내 맘 한 뼘 closer to you.
I don't know, but this girl's voice is so pretty. And I don't know if she was the one doing the that particular section of the song where they were kind of doing a circle on the choreo and all singing the same line, and there was another member doing the ad-libs or a different verse in the middle of all that. Because whoever she was, her voice is also beautiful. But another thing is the choreo is so good in this song. I actually love what they're all matching. And the choreo just seems so like, I don't know, elegant, I guess is probably the best word I can put it. And I love how this music video felt like a fantasy novel. I guess the Red Riding Hood thing probably helps that thought. But yeah, I don't know. There was something about the imagery. I kind of felt like I was watching something from like a really popular novel. I don't know. One thing I wanted to add, I noticed near the end of this track that there was a rap verse. And I thought that was a very unique choice because I guess to me, it wasn't even necessary. It didn't like hinder the song or anything like that. I just thought it was a unique thing because the whole song honestly could have continued with just the singing parts. I don't feel like every song needs to have a rap verse or the rapper has to rap in every song. Do you know what I mean? It's not always needed. And this was one of those times where I was like, I didn't expect it. It came so late in the song. That's why I was kind of like, whoa, okay, that was an interesting choice. I liked it though. I just thought it was I don't know, if you took it out, I feel like I would still enjoy the song as is, you know what I mean? But yeah, I think that's like my final thought. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, part of me feels like I remember really liking Windy Day when they sang it in the Killing Voice. I don't remember what it sounds like at all, but I'm happy to finally be getting to this full song. So let's go. I already like this guitar. Oh. Oh, this is so cute. Pretty. Oh, it's so light. Oh, beautiful voice. Oh, I love the way that goes. What? Did she shoot her hat off? Whoa, whoa. This song is doing things I didn't expect. Oh, that harmony. Woo! Sir, sirs, misses on the instruments. I really like this chorus. Ooh. This is so strange, this part of the song. It's like I wouldn't expect it to do this. Oh. This is so pretty. Oh. Ooh, the vocals, ad-libs. Okay, this music video was tripping me the hell out. I couldn't figure out what the hell was happening, but it was cool. Another like fantasy novel type of like music video. Like it had such a, I don't know, there's like a fade on the like a filter on the camera lens or the editing of it. I loved this shot though. Like this right here is like an album cover. Damn, I hope all that food is fake. Anyways, yeah, you guys, what a unique experience this song, because I was just like ready to sit and chill in the way that this song began for like the first like 45 seconds, because I was like, oh, this is just so like relaxing. There's something so chill about the way that they're singing. They went into that pre-chorus and it was just so minimalistic and chilled and like stripped back kind of. And then the chorus hits and then the chorus continues. And I'm like, whoa, how did we get here? But not in a bad way. Like I actually enjoyed where we went. It was just like knocking me off my feet every time it happened. Because the moment that the chorus ends, we go right back into the kind of like chill chorus, or not chorus, but verse. And that was, yeah, that was interesting. It was a wild ride, but another song where their vocals really, really stood out. I feel like I pointed out some members at certain sections and I couldn't tell you where at this point, but very, very pretty. I'm not sure which one I like more, this one or the previous one. I don't know. So far, I have to say I'm really enjoying just how unique, and I feel like whimsical is the only word that I can really describe this music as. I don't feel like I've necessarily heard anything quite like it. It's unique while also following your typical structure of a song, you know, but it's standing out to me. All right, last up on our list today is Nonstop. Let's go. Oh. Friend zone. Here. Oh, her voice. I like this. Oh, this cowboy aesthetic. Also liked her flow. Her voice is so pretty. Despair. Ooh. I love that part. Hey, hair flip. Oh, I like her. I like the sound. It's like dun 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 dun. What is that? I like when they say that. Their voices are so delicate. Oh my god. I love that part. What the hell is happening? Hey. Nonstop City. Wow. You guys. I like this group. Wait, so this came out in 2020. So that means that they were at least 7 until like recently. Did they just recently become 6 or something? I really liked this girl. Is the rapper damn, I don't know. I don't remember the name. I don't want to mess it up, but I liked her. See, this is the song where her rap verses in this track makes sense to me, and it like fits, and she flows so nicely. With a song like Closer, again, not that it doesn't like fit, it's like if you took it out, like I would still enjoy the song, because the song by itself with the vocals and everything worked just fine. This here, the rap definitely adds something to this track, especially with the switch ups in the beat, and the way it kind of plays with the kind of hip hop esqueness of it. I thought it worked so well here, and I really loved her energy. This whole cowboy look is just so wow. Honestly, wow. I almost kind of wish the whole music video looked like this, because they all look so good. I really enjoyed this song as well. Their voices on this particular song too, certain sections of it that I just really liked how light they were delivering the lines, and they sounded like so pretty. I'm excited that I enjoyed everything that we listened to today. I would say right now, I would probably say Windy Day is probably my favorite one that we listened to in this particular video, but that could change in like a week. Like once I've gone through each song again, like listen to it again. I'm excited to check out more, you guys. If you missed the Killing Voice video, I do have an Oh My Girl playlist that you can check out on the channel. It does include Classified, the reaction to that. But yeah, the next video I'm excited for, because we can check out some more songs. But thanks so much for hanging out with me here, and I'll see you guys then. Later.